In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can link your Fortnite account to a PlayStation, Xbox, PC, Switch, and really any other platforms quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions as well, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. And just head to epicgames.com. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And once you're on this page, look up in the top right and you need to sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, click your profile name up at the very top, select account. It's going to take you down to a new page where you can select linked accounts and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. We're going to see all of your different platform options like PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, Steam, and so much more. If a platform says something like connect, simply select it and sign in with that platform's credentials. Once confirmed, your accounts will be linked. After linking, your progression, skins, V-Bucks, balance, whenever applicable, and other unlocks will sync across all supported platforms, meaning that you could switch between PlayStation, Xbox, or Xbox to Switch, and your items will carry over. Once everything's connected, you're good to go. You guys can just back out and return to Fortnite. You may have to restart it depending on what platform you're on. But if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.